Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to use 3D mirror. We created this body in our last lecture using circular patterns on a simple disk. Now go to the 3D feature options and click on mirror. Select the mirror surface. We will select this face. Now under Bodies to Mirror, we will select the entire body. Select OK. See how it has created a new body on top of the previous one. There is another method to do this. Just delete the mirrored body. Go to Reference Geometry. Choose Plane. Now select a plane from the design tree, say the top plane. Create the reference plane at the desired distance. Select OK. Now go back to the mirror. This time under the mirror face, select the new reference plane. Select the body to mirror. We can see the previous of how the structure will look. Unmerge result. OK. Because we unselected merge result option, the new body is separate from the original one. We can further perform different options on the body. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in the next one.